Hai pi baro asasi sian pa chakanika channel kejungi bat haganeka video ngin pe yakini ki post kibrang shulat mai po shillong Meghalaya.
Shabing insdang yaganeka video ngobha subscribe yaganeka channel but turn on new notification bell kanang bo pinum do yaki videos ki bangi upload. Pla roban follow yangi hapo ka Instagram kaneka Instagram account kejungi.
Yakini ki post apalat daka Meghalaya State Watershed and Wasteland Development Agency laneka MSWWDA mentau benai arajar arpoar ki keteng jing ni ki post kilongkom ne technical expert, account assistant, but data entry operator. Yakini ki post kinsa penlong yaka walk in interview haka katsan bak country terik benai June. Yaka post technical expert kabalai kawai ka age limit la neka kerta kabaredok kadai kat prasnam bak kabahaya do kadai laipo arsnam kandon ro ka relaxation hado sansnam yaki schedule cast la ne schedule tribe ka salary la ne katulap kadai san pawajar hak shibnai ke educational qualification kalongkum ne plade ben pendap yaka post graduation la ne ka MTech la ne ME ha civil engineering, agriculture, horticulture, forestry lene social work. Yagan ka post pidon kam minimum license experience haki project implementation lene management jangki kam lene projects jangka rural development. Yagan ka post account assistant ka balai kawai ke age limit lene ka kerta ka berredo ka dekat prasnam bat ka bahaya ka de laipo arsnam. Bahkan dan rusan senam relaxation yaki schedule cast lani ki schedule tribe categories ka salary lani ko tulap jangka dengan post ka day laipo wajar hak si benai ke educational qualification kalau komne lade ben pendap yaka graduation lani ka post graduation haka commerce accountancy lani BBA lani MBA haka financial management lani accounting and finance. Yagan ka post pidon kam minimum license experience but maintain yaki accounts, taxation, but financial management, but pidiru bandon ka knowledge haki charts, jangki accounts, dan ne accounting procedures. But kin I preference sigitu ki bandang ikine daka computerized accountancy lane ka latest version jangka pidiru bandang ban top ha but ban keren lane bandang ki communication skills kajing nang haka komputer bat pidiru bandang yaki Microsoft package kum Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel AA, spreadsheet, bat ka data analysis. Ya kan ka post data entry operator kabalai kawai ke age limit kalong kumjo kat pra hado laipo hours 6 bat kandon ro sansnam relaxation yaki schedule cast lan ki schedule tribe ka salary lan ko tulap ka dekat san hajar hak shibnai ke educational qualification kalong kumne plade ben pendap ya ka graduation hak no ka subject bat pide rubandon ka certificate course haka computer ken kam I preference gitu ki badan ya ka jingnang haka statistical software but typing skills ya kan ka post pidon kam experience kumba hendru banai hado shisnam ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi bakwa ban apply kini ki post pihak ban ra yaki original documents ki jong pi kumka degree certificate mark sheet experience certificate par kiwi ru nagabenta ka verification kabakin sale syabakan longka interview yakani ka walk in interview kin sapelong haka office of the divisional soil and water conservation officer Shillong Territorial Division Polo Hills Shillong East Khasi Hills District Meghalaya yaka post technical expert ka walk in interview kan salong haka kat South Terek benai June arajar apoar yaka post account assistant haka kat South Terek benai June arajar apoar bat yaka post data entry operator kin sapelong haka kat Terek benai June arajar apoar ka official notification lanika notice ka apply hi dengan nika MSWWDA ngala ay po description jaga nika video disung bah download bat pulih share ka syabapin apply kini ki post kana mapin tips susyo shpang wiki details.